Who is for the appeal? Appeal succeeds. CRA SB 4 of 2022 is disposed of. For the appellants, my lord. Appeal succeed. Right. Oblige, my lord. Wait for it. Yes. Divisional application stands dismiss. Right.
Please, my lord, I'm appearing for the petitioner in serial number 4 and 5. My lord, on the last date, direction was given to appoint an advocate for the respondent accused persons.
Who is for the member secretary?
My lord, as per my instructions, Advocate Anzar Ali has been appointed.
You are
appointed for the matter.
What's your name, sir?
616. 614, I was not appointed.
614 you have not appointed.
I have received a copy of appointment WPA 616.
But 616 is not
Next.
listed. Both are of your matter.
Similar matter.
4
Yes,
and
my lord, connected matters.
yes. Then are you ready?
Lordship, in this matter, the respondent, I was appointed to represent the Ramesh Kumar Gordhan Bhai Kataria. And in this particular matter, Hina Ramesh Kumar Kataria. So I am not appointed for her. I am appointed only for the Ramesh Kumar Gordhan Bhai Kataria.
My lord, serial 4 and 5, they both are connected matters. Hina Ramesh Katiria is his wife of Ramesh Katiria.
14 and 616. But let
Yes.
said in 614.
Where is
your letter of appointment?
I'm showing this letter mentioned.
My lord, on the last date, same order was passed in both the matters for appointment of an advocate.
Back down. It appears from the letter of appointment that Mr. Anjar Ali has been appointed to represent you are for the petitioner
Yes, my lord.
to respondent respondent number 1. In WPA 616 of 2024. But he was not appointed to represent respondents, private respondent in WPA 614 of 2020. Member secretary is requested to learned advocate for the petitioner submits that matters, both are the connected matter. Learned member secretary is directed to issue fresh notice, fresh order for the appointment of an advocate to represent either both of the writ petitioners, to represent the private respondent in both of the writ petitions. Let the copy be.
Your Lordship,
Yes.
the petition, copy of the petition should be supplied to me.
Yes. My learned colleague present in the courtroom will serve a copy of the petition.
Advocate for the petitioner is directed to serve, to supply a copy of writ petition to Mr. Anjar Ali, represent private respondent in WPA 616 of 2020. Let
My lord,
this,
should we also serve in the other writ petition?
let
Both
this,
the writ petitions.
let this matter appear before the next circuit. You serve copy of the writ petition to writ petition 616 to Mr. Anjar Ali, and a fresh appointment would be made in WPA 614 of 2000.
My lord, may I make one request? Let both the matters be clubbed together so as to avoid confusion, because they both are connected matters. Facts are same. I am ready to serve copy of both the petitions to my learned friend, Mr. Anzar.
The next circuit. You please.
Sorry,
Okay.
my lord, next date.
Before next circuit, today is the last date of this circuit.
वही ऊपर
Today is the last date of this circuit.
I'm obliged.
So, my lord, this is that matter with regard to the medicines.
Yes,
My lord had kept it
Where
only
is-
for on the
yeah.
point of whether your lordship would hear on the
Tulsi,
stay.
Tulsi Babu,
Tulsi sir is here.
are you ready, sir?
My lord, I have sent a letter to the department. The officer present who was the drug inspector, he has transferred. A new officer has taken place as replacing. They have sent some document through
Mail.
mail, but I could not open those documents. I sent a mail again to them yesterday that kindly see we are not able to open that mail.
Very, very on the prayer of learned advocate for the,
My lord, my prayer for the interim order may be
let
considered.
him complete here.
Let me take.
So, my lord, may I say this now from motion stage, my lord, I had to serve, I've done everything. Till the next date at least.
But
my
he
lord
has
will
no
protect-
document.
I have
without-
nothing with me
My
to
lord,
understand what
May-
is what
may I
the
say
matter
this?
is.
This is the criminal revision where, my lord,
Yes, yes.
this may be considered even before they are parties. I have served notice, I've complied with everything, my lord. Only
Yeah.
till the next date of proceeding.
In
kindly protect me.
compliance of your notice, service of notice,
No, my lord, even the
That-
petition copies, service, everything, taking out the fresh application, I've done everything.
then what is your application?
My lord, at that time, the service had not been completed.
No, no, what
So,
is your application?
for an interim order, my lord. for a
Trip-
stay of the proceedings so far as petitioner 2, 3 and 4 are concerned till the next date of hearing. That was all. Very innocuous.
Stay of the proceeding of
The
trial
complaint case.
complaint case pending before the trial.
My lord, that's all.
No,
Do you have any
my,
objection?
my lord, no order is required. No order is required. So far, this appeal is so long this revision is pending, the matter will not proceed at all.
No,
The
that is why
moment the officer
I can't
comes,
predict. That is why I'm saying.
if the
Officer will come, matter
if
will
the
be heard of.
stay is obtained,
What is the status of your
My
trial?
lord, the summons has been issued. So far, he has not appeared. We had filed 317 on 1 or 2 occasions. But the difficulty is that there are total of 8 accused persons.
Very well,
I'm praying
take
for 3. Only petitioners 2, 3 and 4. Other the proceeding can continue, my
my
lord.
lord, once the stay is obtained, my lord, then there will be dragging of the matter.
No.
Stage
My
of?
lord may,
If the stay is obtained, then there will be dragging of the matter.
not at all. My lord may
Let me
record.
take
that the
instruction and
matter
come
will
back
be heard out.
immediately.
The matter would be heard out in the next circuit. I am ready.
We will come back with all instructions in the next appeal.
My lord, because this union has not shown any diligence in all these days, the matter was hanging. I am only.
The
saying-
moment,
No,
the moment I have been appointed,
That's why I'm saying only
very-
protect me till the next circuit, my lord. I'm not asking for anything great. I'm not asking your lordship to quash it. I'm not asking for an acquittal.
But he is not in position.
nothing is
to-
going to happen in the
Make
case
any
of
decision.
In a criminal revision, whether my learned friend opposes or not, in a criminal revision, my lordship knows at
I-
motion stage itself, I can
Let me
make this
advocate for
spread.
the Union of India. Raise for time to collect relevant documents from the department concerned. Who are two, three, 4?
2, 3, 4 are the main managing partners of the firm. The firm is 1 and the other accused are the private respondents, 2, 3 and 4. For them, I am not saying anything. For them, the proceeding will continue. The
We do
firm
not-
will be prosecuted, no difficulty. I'm only saying for the 3 partners.
How it could be proceed against two and not against the rest of the personality? It's not, I have not heard of this kind.
The one is the firm.
My lord, I'm talking about 2, 3 and 4, the sleeping partners.
There are two partners, legal partner, that is this. Number, once the document comes, we will see what the status of this partnership concerned. How they are responsible with the crime.
No, that is all fine. Matter will be heard out here in the High Court.
Why?
But that the High Court proceeding is
Digital
not
design.
prejudiced in any way.
Who is the manager? Okay.
My lord, 2 is described by the prosecution as an active partner, 3 is described as a sleeping partner, 4 as
What
a
is the
sleeping.
allegation?
My lord, allegation is that a medicine was manufactured by this company, which was sold by a franchisee over here.
Yes.
It was kept here for 1.5 years during COVID period. It was lying somewhere. Then suddenly.
Where the trial is pending?
My lord, trial is before the learned CJM, Chief Judicial Magistrate, Port Blair.
Initiated on the complaint of
Complaint case
Private-
filed by the respondent number
private
1.
complaint.
No, my lord, this is by the drugs control.
Just under.
When it was filed?
And this complaint was filed on first of March 2023. Probably.
What is the stage of trial?
Summons has been issued, my lord, nothing else. My fear is what would happen in the
Did you
future.
appear before the trial court?
No, my lord, as of now, no.
Then it is more than 1 year, 1.5 years.
No, my lord,
And you
summons
are
has
still
come.
not appear before the trial court.
No, my lord, because the summons has come subsequently. That is why. This is a matter where there is.
Yes, no, we are not concerned about the merit of this case.
My lord,
One criminal prosecution has been initiated against.
my lord.
Then what is required from your side?
My lord, I should either appear or I should take some steps.
Then,
Now, the steps I've taken is in coming before this honorable court. When I challenge the summons.
but you didn't take any step before the trial court.
No, my lord, I came here, this matter has been pending. I told your lordship, for a long time this matter was
Ah,
pending, it was looked
More
after from
than, more
Calcutta.
than, it is going to be 2 years from the date of.
My lord, it is more than a
filing.
year. This instant application has been filed. The difficulty was, kindly see, it was affirmed back in October 2023. See the affidavit at page 20, my lord. It was affirmed in October
He should
23.
come and appear before
My
the,
lord, that. we
no
will do.
proceeding has yet been started, only summon has been issued.
My lord, that. we
And
will
you
be-
came here to,
My lord would kindly appreciate the situation. Now, this is a company based in.
no, the
Himachal
what
Pradesh.
process would be a state?
My lord, only
Issuance of
the,
summon,
only the summons. Only the summons. That's all I'm praying for it.
why, what is the ground?
My lord, because I have made out a legal ground and a ground based on the complaint itself that no case can exist against these persons. The legal point.
So
I'm
these are the
That
tribal
point
issue,
would
na?
have to be decided. My lord, that's why I said, my lord, at this stage, my prayer is that.
Disputed question of law, and that should be
My lord,
decided by the trial court.
No, my lord, on a
That
question of
cannot
law,
be decided before the revisional.
may I say this, my lord,
jurisdiction.
in terms of Bhajan Lal, out of the three out of 7 points of Bhajan Lal, I'm squarely covered by. I would take your lordships on the, in the initial day
On the
itself,
basis of Bhajan Lal, matter cannot be decided.
no,
You may take
I
this
may
plea
show-
before the trial court,
my lord, may
and
I say
trial
this?
court will consider upon
My
the
lord, may I say this?
guidelines of Bhajan Lal in the context of the,
With the
in the
greatest
context of the
respect-
evidences.
With the greatest of respect, trial court cannot decide on Bhajan Lal points, my lord, because trial court doesn't have the power on the validity. That power is only with this court. But my point
No,
is
no.
this.
I am
under
not
the-
talking about 482. I am talking about the guidelines,
My lord,
and guidelines may be considered at any stage.
my lord, the point of Bhajan Lal that I'm making here is the complaint and the way in which the complaint is arranged. It does not make out a case against these persons at all.
Okay, I think, and you only represent the,
Well, this, my lord has.
Now,
Union-
directed-
if your lordship looks at it, this
Hmm.
matter has been pending now. We have served 4 times on the Union of India. Today, my friend is opposing vehemently. But for the last year and a half, the Union of India did not bother to appear despite repeated notices.
I am not.
My-
he has been appointed.
The
That's
moment
why
I was appointed.
Only when your lordship has appointed, now the Union of India suddenly is
The
opposing
moment I
vehemently.
was appointed.
Last 2 years, they didn't vehemently oppose, they didn't bother to even appear. My humble submission is this, my lord, I'm not asking your lordship to give me a final order, quashing, acquitting, anything. All I'm saying is protect
Yes.
me till January. It's a very innocuous bill. I have
Yes.
not asked for anything
Check.
beyond that number.
This matter, ये क्या लिख ले? क्या लिखे? Learned advocate for the petitioner prays for an interim stay of the proceeding. Someone has already been issued.
Fine. I'm asking only until the next circuit.
On the proceeding pending before the trial court till next circuit. Let this matter adjourn. Let this matter appear on the second day of the next circuit. And interim stay of the proceeding pending before the trial court be stayed. Interim stay at the आगे बोलो दूसरी के is be granted till the last date of.
I'm very
Yes.
grateful, madam, deeply.
Well,
You come to tell.
well,
Let me-
Most grateful.
Hmm.
I don't know, kindly grant me liberty to communicate. Liberty to communicate.
Yes. ये note कर नहीं बनी. Parties are liberty to communicate. Communicate
Petitioner is at liberty to communicate the order.
to
My lord, we will place the order one
To
before the
whom?
learned court. but
trial court.
Trial.
Yes. Petitioner is
Because by the time it comes from registry, it may take.
liberty to communicate the order to the trial court.
Deep. I'm most ready.
Thank you.
I am appearing for the respondent.
Yes. What is scenario?
Nobody is appearing for the petitioner. It is for grant of electricity connection only,
Yes.
but none appear for the petitioner.
Yes, sir. Govindu Sahab, how are you?
7 and 8, same petitioner.
No one is appearing. Yes.
No, he is appearing in item number 9. 7 and 8, let it be next circuit.
Next circuit 7. 9.
9, I'm appearing. I'm for the petitioner.
Consideration order will be passed. His application is pending before the authority.
ठीक है. Authority is directed to consider upon his representation.
Time frame, my lord.
WPA number
Yeah.
570, your lordship has already passed the order.
Accordingly,
Then
on same manner.
570 of 20, 6 weeks.
Same manner we कर दो 6
6 weeks time.
6
was
weeks.
granted.
within 6 weeks.
Okay.
And communicate the fate of the जो आगे की है उसका.
570 WPA.
Well, thank you.
Obliged.
तो लेटर कर दिए था 5 बजे.
I did not get the.
Yeah, but advocate is not here. You come on it, please. I have already passed order in presence of advocate. She appeared virtually. So, thank you very much to all of you.